April 27, 2022. Look for the crescent moon below Venus and Jupiter. Venus passes Neptune in a close conjunction. Speedy Mercury is in the west, near the Pleaides star cluster after sundown. Chart caption, 2022, April 27. The thin crescent moon is near Venus and Jupiter. Mars and Saturn are nearby. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 5:52 a.m. CDT, sunset, 7:45 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. Morning sky. Brilliant Venus, Jupiter and the crescent moon are in the eastern sky before sunrise, although that lunar crescent is only 3 degrees above the horizon and 5.1 degrees to the lower left of the morning star. Chart caption, 2022, April 27. Venus, Jupiter, and the crescent moon fit into a binocular field. Jupiter is 3.2 degrees to the lower left of Venus and 4.1 degrees to the upper left of the moon. Together the trio makes a nice triangle. They easily fit into the same binocular field of view. Two other planets are lined up to the upper right of Venus. Mars is 14.7 degrees to the upper right of Venus and Saturn is 15.2 degrees to the upper right of the red planet. The four planets span 33.1 degrees from Jupiter to Saturn. Jupiter slowly inches away from Saturn and will not catch it again until 2040. Venus quickly steps eastward and Mars follows at about half the Venusian speed. In 3 mornings, Venus passes Jupiter in approximate conjunction, one that has a gap of about 0.5 degrees. Chart caption, 2022, April 27. Venus and Neptune fit into the same telescopic eyepiece. In a challenging observation, Venus passes less than 0.5 degrees from Neptune this morning. The more distant world is beyond the limits of eyesight and a telescope is needed to see it. Both fit into a telescopic eyepiece that has a magnification of about 80x. Because Neptune is bathed in the growing twilight and its low altitude in the sky, this is a difficult observation. Note that Venus is a morning gibbous phase that is nearly 70% illuminated. Neptune passed its solar conjunction on March 13. It is slowly climbing into the morning sky. We note this difficult to see conjunction because it is the closest planet conjunction during the 2020s. The next conjunction of these two worlds is February 15, 2023, the second closest conjunction of this decade. In about 2 months, the classic 9 planets, from Mercury to Pluto, are spread along an arc about 130 degrees long. Evening sky. Chart caption, 2022, April 27. Mercury is near the Pleaides star cluster after sundown. Mercury is putting on its best evening appearance for sky watchers north of the equator. On spring evenings, the plane of the solar system is highly inclined to the western horizon, allowing us to easily see the speedy planet. About 45 minutes after sunset, Mercury is over 11 degrees up in the west-northwest. It is 2.5 degrees to the lower left of the Pleaides star cluster and 14.4 degrees to the lower right of Aldebaran, the brightest star in Taurus. Chart caption, 2022, April 27. Mercury and the Pleiades star cluster through a binocular. The planet and the star cluster easily fit into a binocular's field of view. Additionally, look at Aldebaran and the Hyades star cluster with the binocular's optical assist. During the next few evenings, watch Mercury pass the Pleiades.